So welcome everyone. This is a lesson about question words. We were looking today at the most important question words of the English language. Who, where, what, which, when, how long, what kind of, how often, and how. And then you created these questions. Who did you see yesterday? What did you do? Which one are you going to buy? When did you call your mum? Etc, etc. Over here we created some other ones. Who are you? Where are you from? How are you? Look at the structure of these questions. They all follow a structure. When we talk in any tense of the English language, present simple, present continuous, all of them, we must use this structure. We start with a question word. We then have the little auxiliary verb. We then have the subject. And then we have the main verb. It's the auxiliary verb, the little verb, and the big verb, which tells you the name of the tense. The little verb would say present or past or future. The big verb will say the other bits. Have a look. Past. This verb is in the past, so it's past something. This is a simple verb, so we call this tense past simple. This is present, the verb to be in the present. We look at the main verb and it's in the ing form. When something is in the ing, it is called continuous. This tense is called present continuous. Past simple. This is in the present and here's the simple verb. So it's called present simple, past simple, present simple. This is the same with all tenses. What will you do tomorrow? Will is future. Do is simple. So we need to think about this. This is what we've been working on. What were you doing yesterday? Were is past. Doing is continuous. Past continuous. And over here, these are the most basic questions. You can only use present simple or past simple. It starts the same with a question word, but then it uses one verb only, the verb to be. If the verb to be is present, it's present simple. If it's past, like where were you yesterday, it's past simple. So, this is the most simple form of present simple or past simple using the present verb or the past verb. Thank you.